Today we are going to make a super easy cake recipe which you can enjoy without any guilt with easily available ingredients at home. You don't need any oven or no baking tools for this recipe. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon before we start with the recipe. So for this recipe we need 2 eggs. These 2 eggs into the mixie jar. Make sure your mixie jar is dry before you add the egg. So there will be many people among us who don't like the egg smell in the cake. So for that I will be adding 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar, which will reduce the egg smell from our cake. To this add a pinch of salt and sugar. This is our normal granular sugar. I have added 1/4 cup of the sugar. Just blend it nicely. Keep blending it till you get a fluffy mixture out of it. Your fluffy mixture should look somewhat like this. Add it to a bowl. Now you can see lot of air bubbles in this. That means our cake will be fluffy because of these air bubbles, because we are not using any baking soda or baking powder for our dish. So to this I will be adding 3 tablespoons of ghee. And half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix all the ingredients well. There should not be any lump, and mix it gently so that we don't lose our air bubbles. And to this I will be adding 1 cup of rice flour. Add it and mix it slowly and gently. We don't want to lose the air bubbles which we have created in our egg mixture, because that's the thing which will give you the softness in this cake, because we are not adding any other agents like baking soda or baking powder in our recipe. So once you mix and get a uniform smooth paste like this, our batter is ready. I have taken a vessel and I have placed the butter paper. This is homemade butter paper. If you have not seen the homemade butter paper recipe, please do watch it. I'll give the link in this description box. You can just check the description box. It's very easy to make a butter paper at home. So add the batter nicely into the vessel and tap the vessel nicely so that it forms a uniform mixture. Now we are not going to cook it in the oven, so we will be cooking it in an open pan. I have kept a tawa, and on top of the tawa I have kept my vessel, and inside the vessel we have kept the vessel in which we have the batter, and close this and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. And after 30 to 40 minutes your cake will be ready. Just remove the butter paper. With butter paper it's very easy to remove the cake. You can see your cake is ready like this. Split the cake into 2 halves by placing the palm firmly on top of it and rotating your knife all around. And this is a homemade whipping cream. I have made this using rice flour, and if you have not watched this recipe also, I will give the link in the description box. Please do watch it and make your whipping cream easily at home. So I have divided the cake into 2 halves. I will be adding sugar syrup to it. I have made this sugar syrup by using 3 tablespoons of sugar and 6 tablespoons of water. This will make our cake very moist and soft. Add the whipping cream on top of the cake and spread it well. This is a very easy whipping cream which I have made using the rice flour only. So you don't have to spend your money on buying whipping cream. It's very easy, very firm, and it gives a good texture. Now again on second layer I'll be adding sugar syrup like this, and on top of it I'll be adding the whipping cream. Once you have added the whipping cream, you can level the whipping cream using any old ATM card or any cards which you have. That will help us in making a regular flat surface of the cream. You don't need a baking tool to do this. So just spread the cream and make it of uniform level using the card which you have at home. So now our cake is ready. So you can decorate it in any way which you like. I have just added some chocolate syrup on top of it. You can decorate it in any way which you like. So our cake is ready. So let's cut the cake and see. You can see it's soft. It's soft and creamy. At the same time, it's healthy. So whenever kids ask for an immediate quick cake, you can definitely try doing this. I hope you liked the recipe. And if you have liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the red button below. Thanks and bye till we meet next time.